Guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making a very delicious beef stew, and I have my hoho, I have my dania, I have my rica cubes, I have my smashed ginger and garlic, I have my nyanya, yes, my nyanya, I have my kitungu, I also have my spices here. My spices, I have my rosemary, I have my beef masala, I have my paprika, paprika, I have my mixed spices, I also have my salt. So guys, I have boiled my meat. Sitaki niweke kitchen. I have boiled my meat, and here it's my meat. It's 2 kg. It's 2 kg. I have my broth sita. Sijamwaga hiyo maji, no, nitatumia. So I go ahead kukaanga ndio kitunguu yangu sasa inaiva. So I'll just cook for 5 minutes, then niweke hoho zangu. The next step ni kuweka hoho, then I will wait my hoho ive kidogo sana na mafuta. As you can see kanakaa vizuri. I'll proceed with my ginger and garlic, the smashed. They are both of them ginger and garlic both smashed. Nitaipika tu kidogo pia, just kidogo. Then nitaweka my spices. My spices mautamu. Nitaweka mautamu. Ndio hiyo nimeweka paprika, nimeweka mixed spices. Now it's beef masala. And let me tell you guys, the aroma. Nitaweka nyanya. Nitaweka nyanya zangu. Ndio zive, and I will wait nyanya zive kidogo. I don't want staki nyanya zenye zive, so nataka nyanya zive zote. Now nitaweka my royco cubes. I'm using 2 royco cubes, and then nitaongeza my rosemary. I want the spices to cook. I don't want staki bakura sijaiva. So ziko sawa. Sasa nitaongeza nyama yangu. So nitakoroga nyama yangu hadi ishike all those spices here, hadi ziingie ziingie kwa nyama. Hadi nyama yangu ishike all those spices. Then nitaifunika for 5 minutes. Nimefunika for 5 minutes ikashika that taste of my spices. So nitaongezea my broth, kasupu, wala watu wa kasupu, wala watu wa stew na kasupu. So tutaongezea chumvi yetu. Then tukoroge hadi chumvi ishike. Then tutafunika for some minutes. Some minutes ichemke kidogo ndio soup ipate all those stuff. Then after that nitaongezea sasa my dania. My meat is ready, so now I only need the dania. So nitaongeza my dania, then nitakoroga kidogo. Already my beef stew is ready. It's ready. So I'm serving it with spinach, steamed spinach. So let's go ahead and cook our steamed spinach. Our meat is ready. I hope you guys can see this. It looks delicious. So we go ahead, we proceed on our spinach. Hiyo ni sufuria ready na mafuta. We go ahead to weke our kitunguu. Then we cook it. Tutaipika tu kidogo, just the way we did it on our beef stew. Then tutaweka just 1 royco cube ya taste kidogo. Tutaweka just 1 royco cube. Here it is. Then tutai smash hadi ishikane na kitunguu yangu. I want my cube to kuiva. I like it when my spices are well cooked, because remember we are making it steamed. I like them steamed with anything stew. I like it when it is steamed. So I'm going to add my spinach now. Then is the spinach zitaiva tu for 3 to 4 minutes. Kukoroga to 3 to 4 minutes, and then it will be ready. And before anything else, I hope you guys can try this, because it's really delicious. And also, not just trying, you should try and comment down below on the comment section. Tell us how it was, or maybe you want us to try anything else. Come up and tell us what you want us to try. Anyway, thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel.